for that nice ceremony. Something. I want to say good morning, and I'm Chagret Doss. I was here last week, and shortly after I finished making some comments last week, I observed the city's attorney making comments about me when I was leaving the building. And although I appreciate her speaking so kindly about my prowess as a pro se or self-represented litigant, I thought it was necessary for me to give some context to her comments. And I want to do this without appearing to attempt to litigate or relitigate, to litigate the case that I have ongoing in the federal court, or relitigate the case that I already won, which brings me here. And like, you know, I didn't say it last time, but I'm a veteran of the United States military, the United States Army, in fact. And like the people up here, I took an oath to uphold certain constitutional principles. So, and as a citizen of Florida, I'm beholden to certain provisions in our Constitution, actually all of them really, and certain legislative dictates as well, which is no different than any other public official. Now, and we can go to 876 subsection 5 of the Florida statute, which I'm sure all you all are familiar with because you had to sign it when you took office, and everybody who gets employed signs one as well. But Article 1, Section 24 of the Florida Constitution gives me a right to access this meeting and to speak to you all as my representatives. And even if I weren't litigating against the city of Tampa, I have a right to come in here and talk to you all about any issue I have with my government, and which is what brought me here. Now, so for everybody's edification, I paid the TPD money to get some records, which is why I had to do the public records request, because for some reason they sent me on a wild goose chase, and I went to the Florida Department of Law Enforcement and the sheriff, and I got what I needed for the most part, to my knowledge, from both of those agencies. The agency that didn't give me anything is the agency that sent me a bill for $10,000. Now, what I'm asking the council to do is to instruct somebody, somewhere, to give me an itemized list of what would take 461 and a half hours, which is 12 weeks of working time, to give me, and we could probably come to some sort of mutual and amicable resolution as to what it is exactly that I'm looking for, and they can give it to me. So with that being said, and again, I want to reiterate, in case she runs up here later on, I'm not trying to litigate the federal case, 22 CV 129 or any other ongoing cases. I just want what I asked for, which is my right as a citizen of the state of Florida. You people take care.